Hey everyone, Salesforce Shorts here. In this video we're going to talk about the Apex limits class and how to find out the total number of limits that you've got. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a new Apex class and let's just call this testing limits and hit enter. So inside of this we're just going to do a basic public static void and actually call this total limits. So inside of this we're just going to put a basic little system.debug and do something like call out limits plus. So basically there's if you have a look at the Apex documentation, there's a lot of different limits that you can get. So feel free to come to this website here and check out all the different limits that they've got. That's sort of where I got this from. So if you put in system debug and you type in limits and you hit dots, you'll see all the different ones you get over here as well. So we're just going to use the callouts one, and that is pretty much it. So let's hit save there and see what happens. Hopefully yeah, no errors, that's good. Alrighty, so let's go to debug, open an anonymous window, and just use our Apex class with our method. And let's see what happens. So I'm just going to click open log, hit execute, go to debug, whoopsie. And as you can see, it tells you the callout limits 0 because we are not doing any callouts here. That's pretty cool. The next thing that we can do, or that I'm going to do, is I'm just going to remove that actually and paste in this block that I've got. So this little block here has a lot of different ones. So of course there's going to be a few issues here. So let's have a look. Yeah, a lot of these ones are obviously not correct, so I'm just going to remove those ones for now and just keep the ones that are actually working. Let's see. Alright, perfect. So we've got a few here that actually work. So yeah, depending on what you want to check, whether you want to check like the DML, the callouts, future calls, the heap size, there's a lot of different things. Like you can get the limit on the social queries. Let's maybe add one more for the social query rows. So what I'm going to do is SOQL queries. So SOQL query limit. So let's remove all of that stuff there, hit dot, and then we can scroll down here. So we want the query rows. I'm not sure if that's there already. Let's hit save. It's got to work, right? Yeah, alright, perfect. So we've got the SOQL query rows. Okay. So perfect. So we've got a few things happening here. Yeah, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go open this, execute it, and let's have a look. So yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, not much happening here. Heap size, current heap size is 1091. If you have a look at the different things that we've got, so on line 16, I've actually got the get limit. So this one is a little bit different to the get heap size because that's the current one and this is the limit. So yeah, if you wanted to get the limit, you can also put the limit in there, and then that'll show you the limit that you've got. So yeah, this is a nice way to basically keep track of your Apex code. You can use probably don't need to use all of that stuff, but use based on whatever you're building, and then you can put it in there, track the total limits to judge the performance of the execution that you're doing. Yeah, if you found this video helpful, or even if you didn't, make sure you subscribe. Alright, thanks, bye.